video is going to be very different than usual videos. I'll be answering your questions that you had asked me on Instagram. Also, some of the questions are from my family and friends. It's going to be interesting, I believe. So I thought of doing chia seed pudding while I answer questions, so it's going to be productive. Let's do this. So I have my questions written in here, and I'm going to answer one by one. So the first question is, if your house is on fire, what are the 3 things you will make sure are in safe zone? Okay. Somebody call 1. Interesting and sad question. I don't want my house to get fire. First thing. But yeah, the question is, what are the things? Okay, so things doesn't count my family members, my aquarium and my plants, of course. So things, then it would be all my paper wealth, my degrees and whatever, certifications I have, obviously. After that, I will run for my gadgets, because pieces of my soul, like Voldemort, are into my gadgets in each of them. So my iPad, my laptop, my iPhones. What else do I have? I don't have speakers. My brother's speakers if he needs. Yeah. Third thing would be I don't know, but I love my bags and clothes. If I can put my clothes in my bags and get them together, is it okay? If that's okay, then I'm gonna rescue my bags and my clothes. Yeah, I don't have anything else. Next question is, are you named after anyone? Of course. I mean, my mom is a writer. I mean, what do you expect? Of course, yeah. April baby. So April here is summer, and summer in Sanskrit is Grishma. So here I am. My name is quite unique in Goa. There's a lot in my name, Shakespeare. So 3 tablespoons of cheese. Taking a cup of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seed, as I said. And as a sweetener, I have taken date syrup. I love date syrup and it's very healthy. So I'm taking date syrup as a sweetener rather than sugar or something else. I don't like honey. The next question, and then we'll start making it. So the question is, when are you getting married, and who are going to be your bridesmaids? So plans of marriage right now. Now I'm going to add chia seeds. So yeah, no plans as such right now, but the second question is about the bridesmaid. Here in Goa, at least, if I'm not wrong, I don't know, I don't have much knowledge about all these things, but if I'm not wrong, it's a person within your family, your cousin, or I don't know who it's gonna be, like, according to the traditions and all, you have to follow certain norms. So they say blood is thicker than water. It may be, we are not doing the pathology here, but I love my cousins and my friends equally. Like, my friends are my family and my cousins are my best friends. So we're gonna have a setup wherein a situation wherein everybody can participate. My friends and my cousins, they can be bridesmaid, they can be whatever they want to be, they can dress up, they can have all fun they wanted to have, and do all crazy things that they want to do. So it's gonna be fair. If everything goes good, that's my plan. I always wanted to do that. So whenever I'm getting married, this is gonna happen. My bridesmaid, my cousin's squad, my friend's squad. That's my life. Very interesting question, because I have lots of memories when it comes to makeup. The longest time I remember, my dad would hate it if I put on any sort of makeup. He would literally check my brows, because I have naturally thicker and darker brows. So he would literally check my brows if I'm wearing any brow product, and then eventually end up saying, oh no, it's in our genes, we all have good brows and all that. But yeah, he would always argue, and even I did. But now it's okay, and now he's very particular about that I should remove my makeup once I'm home. Like, unnecessary, we don't have to wear it. I know, which is good. I mean, I agree. I don't argue on that anymore. That only if you're watching this. Okay, let me just focus on my pudding as well. I'm just, so I have put all the 3 ingredients, and I'm just gonna blend in everything with the fork, like just blend while I talk to you. What are the perks of being a blogger? Well, you get all the free stuff. No, people hear you, you have a crowd to talk to, you can take opinions, you can also take recommendations, you can give same, you become famous as well, I believe. Yeah, I think that, and you become more confident day by day, I feel. As much as you speak to your audience, as much as you interact, you become more confident, you become more responsible of what you do. I think that's all. And you try to, like, obviously if you're a blogger in something that should be your hobby or passion, so you are doing more for that, you're doing more for your passion and your hobby, and it's a good thing, I feel. Last text message that I got is from my cousin Sai, saying call me. Yesterday I received her message, and on my WhatsApp the last message is from Priya saying thank you because I wished her and it's her birthday. Happy birthday, Priya. Yeah, these are the two messages, honestly. Arrange the following brands according to their quality. They're like Faces Canada, Sugar, Maybelline, Nykaa. It is Maybelline, Nykaa, Faces Canada and Sugar. I have not used much of Sugar products. What are the perks of your job? Well, if you know, I'm a lecturer in a yoga school, Shiva Shakti Yoga Goa, and it's by the beach. I mean, come on, like we have this beach houses there, we have our shala where we teach, my colleagues are amazing, we are like family, we eat together, we chat. Problem is standing, but yeah, that's okay, we manage that. Born, I meet new people every month, like from different parts of the world. I get to see different cultures and languages, and I love to explore cafes, and I can do that because of my job. There are so many good cafes around the beach side. So well, I love almost all the brands that I've collaborated with, but Indus Valley is going to always be my favorite brand. It's one of the first brand that I've collaborated with. It's not the only reason, but the brand is really genuine. I love it, and I have a good connection and good relation with the PR team as well. They're very friendly and nice, so I love that. So here is a pudding. It looks like this. The seeds, they swell up, and this is the consistency, and then you have to let it cool down in the refrigerator for about 30-20 minutes, I don't know, and it will be ready to eat. It's very healthy. Okay, I've kept the pudding aside, and the last question is, which is my most favorite plant from my garden? Let's go for it. So obviously it has to be this plant because it's not very common in Goa to have strawberries in your garden, and I've got this plant and I have grown many strawberries in here, and it feels good. Pudding is all set to eat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.